Okay, so I came in this morning and I saw a little bit of water on this floor. Always pay attention to little subtleties like this because there's usually a reason why something's wet. And it looks like I put a nail directly right into this piece of copper in the corner. So this is going to take about an hour to fix now. I'm going to have to pull this all apart, cut into the stud, and try to repair it. Yep, definitely punctured that. I just can't believe I did both of them. It's crazy. Gotta really pay attention to where your piping is. Boy, I hate the way this is put together. Oh well. Okay, so these are repair couplings. So these can slide over the pipe. So I don't even need to cut out the actual hole in there. I just need to slide these over and we can solder them. Using some flux.